So what's going on, guys? This is Vivek and here to share my first ever investing experience into stock market. So my first investment happens to be none other than the much hype IPO SBI cards. So before starting off, I want to say that I'm not an expert, not that I'm a full-time investor or a day trader, but just another saver who wants to save and earn a bit of interest against inflation. So without further ado, I want to say that I had created my Demat account a few weeks back and had been looking over good stocks. So this is how I came across SBI cards. After watching a lot of videos and having a good analysis over this share, I thought of investing my few savings into it. So when the IPO registration was finally open, I too had applied for it, and I must say that I was fortunate enough to get my hands into 19 shares of it. That cost me around 14,345 rupees. That's exactly 755 per share. And I must say this allotment brought happiness and proudfulness with it, but this did not last very long as the media and the market started filling with the news of the market getting crashed and market moving towards bear territory. So as a result of which, on 16 March, that's Monday, it got listed at a heartbreaking discount of 12%. That's exactly 661 rupees against 755 rupees per share. This obviously brought upset and brought red lines to my portfolio, which denoted I had booked losses of around 2000 rupees in my first investment. But nothing to be sad about, because I've thought of keeping this share for almost a year or so that it could give me a good amount of returns in near future. So this was my first experience into stock market, and what I learned in this experience is that you cannot predict what the market can be in tomorrow or in few minutes later, because the market is volatile and it can go at highs and go at its lows, so that it contains some of the risk factors and mere speculation, but much of it carries the analysis part, that's understanding where to invest and understanding the company that you are putting your money on. So it also requires some amount of patience that I learned, and some emotional as well as mental strength to handle the fear and anxiety when your stock gets at its highs and its lows or its bottoms. So this is what I learned in my first experience into stock market. So I know I may not be a good investor, but I know who's watching this might be a good investor. So I want to say that the market cannot be at its low, so it's the right time for us to invest into the market, because the market is falling down deep and we can buy it right now and keep it for a year to have a good amount of return in the near future. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful enough, so then please like and subscribe my channel. And if you want me to make any other videos related to this content, you can please comment down below. So till then, thank you so much and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.